Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
और तेरे संग संग देखे हैं कई रंग, कभी सर्द तो कभी तीखा रे। ये हमारा गोरी वाला गाना जो कमबैक गाना है। मेरी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी मेरी वो है जब मैं रोज मेरा रूटीन होता था कि मैं स्केटिंग के लिए जाता था और स्केटिंग खत्म करके एक सॉफ्टी वो जो आइसक्रीम होती ना कोन
करेक्ट
वो लेके और एक वीडियो गेम खेलता था और फिर घर वापस जाता था। When I was shooting a film with Jackie Chan in Shanghai, and in between the shot when my shoe needed to be cleaned and the guy was not around, so he sat down and started cleaning my shoes. And I was standing and I was looking at Jackie and I was wondering कि यार ये Jackie Chan मेरा जूता साफ कर रहा है। Hi, मैं हूँ सुधांशु पांडे and this is my fire.
Starting up, a useless talent that you have.
Cooking.
Why is it useless?
Because my cooking is useless.
Okay, one food item that you can eat every day.
I think paneer.
Okay, your favorite Bollywood actor.
Irfan Khan.
Wonderful. One thing which can easily piss you off.
Fake behavior.
Fake behavior. Your favorite childhood memory.
My years in my hometown Nainital, because that's where I had the best time of my life. Favorite childhood memory मेरी वो है जब मैं रोज मेरा रूटीन होता था कि मैं स्केटिंग के लिए जाता था। एक पापा का असिस्टेंट साथ में रहता था तो मैं स्केटिंग करने जाता था और स्केटिंग खत्म करके एक सॉफ्टी वो जो आइसक्रीम होती ना कोन
करेक्ट
वो लेके और एक वीडियो गेम खेलता था और फिर घर वापस जाता था। That's my favorite.
This is completely off the syllabus. I am heading for my Uttarakhand tour the next month and we are going to Nainital, Mussoorie and all
What
of
are
that.
you saying?
Yeah.
Arey, mind.
Tell me what should I do in Nainital?
Nainital? Okay, I'll tell you.
Okay. A style icon you look up to.
Style icon. I can tell you who's one of my favorite designers. I would say
Okay.
Rohit Bal, because he's obviously one of the biggest legends we've had
Ji.
as a designer. Also because I worked with him a lot when I was model. When I was modeling in Delhi, I was a fashion model for the first four years of my life. So best clothes, best attitude, and I think he's my style icon. Absolutely.
Wonderful. Your favorite trip till now?
Favorite trip, I would say, when I was shooting a film for our Band of Boys.
Okay.
We were shooting a film in Bali, and we were there for almost 2 months. That was my favorite trip because we were like, my God, aa rahe the, ja rahe the, pata nahi tha. We were shooting every day, we were partying every day.
Wow.
There was no time to sleep. कुछ नहीं, मतलब सोने का, खाने का कुछ होश नहीं था. But we just had the best time of our lives there for almost 2 months in Bali.
Wonderful. Your go-to dance move?
Bhangra.
Okay. Your dream collaboration?
I think it would be with an actor like a Denzel Washington. To be able to act opposite him in a film. Any actor of that stature, maybe a Denzel Washington or somebody like a Robert De Niro, Al Pacino, or Jack Nicholson. One of these actors,
Touch wood for that. So fingers crossed. A song that you're humming these days?
और तेरे संग संग देखे हैं कई रंग, कभी सर्द तो कभी तीखा रे। ये हमारा गोरी वाला गाना जो कमबैक गाना है from our band, which is doing very well. And the first video that we released, same song, is doing fantastically well. People are loving it.
Wonderful. The last show you binge watched?
Last show, I think, what was it? Yeah, I've forgotten the name. But I've just started watching CA Topper.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah, I've just started watching it.
Okay. The coolest thing you have ever done?
Coolest thing I've ever done? My God, what is the coolest thing that I've done? I think I used to feel very cool walking the ramp. Yeah, so I think that is one of the coolest things.
Wonderful. One Bollywood couple who are married and you love them.
Okay, my favoriteest couple would be Anushka and Virat.
Okay.
I think they are fantastic.
Okay, high five on that one. A pinch me moment for you, ab tak.
When I was shooting a film with Jackie Chan and in Shanghai, and in between the shot when my shoe needed to be cleaned and the guy was not around, so he sat down and started cleaning my shoes. And I was standing and I was looking at Jackie and I was wondering कि यार ये Jackie Chan मेरा जूता साफ कर रहा है.
Really?
Yeah.
My
So
God.
so he's basically they're all stars not for nothing.
One mummy के हाथ का dish that you always loved.
Rajma, she used to make something called Peshawari Rajma, and that used to be my all-time favorite.
Your ultimate inspiration.
Life. I think my inspiration is life. Because life has so much to offer. Life is guru. Life is everything. Life teaches you everything, and I think if you just closely monitor it, there can be no other better inspiration than your life.
Wonderful. Do you have any tattoos? Okay. Which is
One is Vivan and
Okay.
one is Nirvan. Both are my two sons.
and I can see this Trishul.
Yeah, so it's symbolic. Vivan is one of the 108 names of Sri Krishna.
Wow.
And this is Nirvan. Nirvan is Moksha. Moksha is Shiv. Shiv is Trishul, Damru, whatever. So it's all symbolic.
Wonderful.
Krishna ka ye.
Only these two you tattooed. Okay. If you were a product, what would your tagline be?
पहले एक साबुन का ऐड आता था. उसमें उसकी टैगलाइन थी सचमुच काफी बड़ा है.
Okay.
You know, so मैं ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा हूँ टैगलाइन, बट आई वुड से सच से जुड़ी हुई कोई चीज जो यू नो कि सचमुच काफी सच्चा है या यही सच है या इससे बड़ा सच कोई नहीं है, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट.
आपने साबुन बोला तो मैं दिमाग में वो आया, पहले इस्तेमाल करे फिर विश्वास.
हाँ वो भी था ये, लेकिन ये उससे भी पहले का. ये एक बहुत ही फनी ऐड था और उसमें वो जो अरुण बख्शी करके एक बड़े सीनियर एक्टर है वो और उनके सर पे बाल नहीं थे तो वो बॉडी पे झाग वाग बना के ऐसा साबुन
कि चलता जाएगा करके
ऐसा कुछ था. वो ओके साबुन था वो. जो के साबुन से नहाए कमल से.
See, remember even that? Okay, last 3 questions. The last time you cried?
I cry very often. I am an extremely emotional person. I would say I'm very sensitive. तो मैं कभी भी जैसे कोई भी चीज अगर मैं टेलीविजन पे भी देख रहा हूँ ना, रियलिटी शो में कोई किसी बच्चे की कहानी दिखा दी या कुछ उसका वो दिखा दिया घर का या कोई उसकी माँ, तो मेरे आंखों में आंसू जाते हैं.
Okay. 3 things that top your bucket list right now.
I think I want to go on a solo trip back to Uttarakhand.
Okay.
That is one thing that is on top of my bucket list right now. And one is I want to start having a base in Dubai. I love that city so much that I want to live there. And third, I don't know. Third would be doing a very big Hindi feature film which could be something to do with our mythology.
Let's make it a pan-India film.
Yeah.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah.
तो ये कट करके हम बस सारे डायरेक्टर्स को भेजो यहाँ से. One thing which can bring a smile on your face.
Whenever I see a small doggy or a pup or a small baby, it automatically brings a smile on my face.
Wonderful.
Anyway.
You did so well in your rapid fire. Now you're ready for with coffee with Karan के लिए एकदम तैयार हो आप. With this signing off, this is Nikita Bhagwan with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.